Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech Mid Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert the hyperlink on your Google Sheet on your mobile phone. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe and we just quickly move on to the video. How to insert the hyperlink on your Google Sheet mobile, just going to show you this video. First of all, you just open a new sheet here and just going to type out some text here. So like subscribe my channel, okay? So now I'm just going to insert the link inside this text. So first of all, I'm just going to copy my channel link, click on those three dots and just going to click on the share option and just copy the link. Then I'm just going to here and click on the text first, and you will see an option on the top called plus symbol. Click on this and you will see an option called link. Click on this and now just paste the link in the URL, and here you can just change the, if an example, subscribe channel, you can just change the label and click save. You can see the changes on the text on the cell. So and the cell also has been, the text has been changed to blue color. If you just click on this text or cell, you will see an option to open the YouTube video or any website link that you just given to the Chrome. So this is how you just insert the hyperlink or link inside the text on your Google Sheet mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.